Hello YouTube, this is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my night routine for when my hair was in a wash and go. I'm actually able to keep my hair in its curly state for about 5 days before I have to, wash it or do something to it again. But this video was actually requested by y'all, so I wanted to show y'all my super simple routine. This video is going to be really short because it's real simple, sis. So I start out by using some oil on my hair. I do this every other day because my hair tends to be very dry, but too much oil will weigh it down. After that, I take my knee-high stocking. It's very affordable. I got this from Walgreens, I think for about $1. You can use any flexible band, but I prefer a knee-high stocking because it secures the hair without pulling it. So I just flip my hair toward the front and then wrap that stocking around to put my hair in a pineapple shape. I love this pineapple shape because it actually gets your hair off your neck and you can pretty much just kind of lay down without worrying about it smushing your curls or anything like that. But once you have your hair in a pineapple, I then take this satin wrap, and I'll link all the products down below, but I take the satin wrap and I put it around the front of my hair, and this just ties down the front and keeps anything from, I guess, getting out of place. Once I tie it around the front, I take another bonnet and put it on top of the curls, and that way it protects those curls as well from any friction or anything that may be happening while I am asleep. And I know this looks weird, but y'all, I promise you this right here works for me. But once I have this on, I then go to bed, and then once I wake up, my hair is good. So this is the next morning. What I do is just kind of take this bonnet thing off, and you see it's kind of flat a little bit, but I just, kind of fluff it back out. After I have my hair fluffed out, I'll go ahead and take the front satin wrap off. And that way, my edge is still laid, honey, because you got to protect the edges. Next, I will remove the stocking and I kind of just unwrap it from around my hair. And then once it is off, y'all, I just shake my hair. Like, I just kind of shake it, fluff it out. And the curl's still there. I mean, everything's still in place. At this point, I usually just kind of style it, or, if I want a middle part, I do a middle part. If I want a side part, I'll do a side part. But yeah, my curls are good after that. The only downside to this is that my husband don't like the satin wraps that I wear. That's pretty much the only downside. But other than that, this is very good. It's very affordable. It's quick. And yeah, the hair be good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's very simple, but I like simple. But this is my routine for keeping my curls at night and making sure that they're not frizzy or anything in the morning. And this has really worked for me. Let me know down below if y'all use any of these techniques or what y'all do to keep your hair in place at night. Do y'all do a pineapple, or what do you do with your hair at night? I want to know. Leave me a comment down below. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Lets me know what y'all like and what y'all don't like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I will see y'all in my next video.